Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to block someone on WhatsApp. So open up your WhatsApp and then select the person that you want to block. So for example, I'm just gonna select Flashy from here and I'm just gonna go to chat, right? Once I do that, I'm in this chat box and I want to block him. And in order to do that, wait, I just have to remove this. Alright, in order to do that, I'll have to press on these three dots on the top right, more, and then block. And there's another way. The other way is if I press on the name, and then if I scroll down over here, it's block as well as report. And or the other thing, this is not basically blocking, but you won't be getting any messages from the person, is if you mute notifications and you press on always, and then that's it. You won't get any notifications from this person. And if you want to block, just press on block and done. That's going to be blocked. And once they're blocked, they won't you're gonna have this pop-up, you block this contact, and that's gonna be it. You've just successfully blocked the person you want to block. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.